If you are a business owner, then learn how bad design can ruin your BUZNESSSS. You should know that design is not just about making things look nice. It is about making your customers feel good and getting them to love your product or service. Doing this well is important because it can make all the difference in the world to your business. But there are many people who think that design isn't important at all, which can be a huge mistake. Businesses have been ruined by bad design before, and they will continue to ruin businesses if they don't get it right. If you want to make sure your business stays afloat and doesn't go under, here are some tips on how to avoid this happening. Do some research on the competition, know what your target audience wants, make sure that you have a clear message behind what you do so it's easy for people to understand why they should buy from you. E.g., we get paid more, or, we're faster. If people don't understand why they need something from you, then they'll probably never use it, even if it does look good. Always